In today's video, we will take a look back at some of the most devastating natural disasters, not only to better understand the power of nature, but also to draw valuable lessons. How can we prevent, protect ourselves, our families, and the environment we live in? These moments are not only reminders of the power of nature, but also encourage us to take action to protect ourselves and our planet. Watch these videos with awareness and learn from them. The massive waves swept away yachts and cars in an instant, a chilling reminder of nature's unstoppable power. A terrifying moment as the mountainside collapses, crashing into the construction site and burying everything in its path. Two cars desperately struggle to find an escape, a stark reminder of humanity's helplessness against nature's fury. Initially, the snow trickles down gently, seemingly harmless, but in an instant, it merges into a massive avalanche.
Habis.
A sudden landslide occurred right next to the road, with rocks and soil tumbling down just a few steps away from passers-by. Despite the looming danger, some people stood and watched, unaware of the imminent threat.
Allah'ım sen bizi koru yarabbim. Baksana tasarımcı böyle bir şey geldi. Böyle bir şey yok. Böyle bir şey yok. Araba geliyor hayatım baksana.
A sudden strong wind blew a car away, flipping it like a toy in nature's fury. Even more surprising was the loud laughter from the person filming, creating a bizarre moment that was both tense and puzzling in the face of nature's unpredictable power. The shocking scenes from these videos are a powerful reminder of how terrifying nature can become when it's destroyed or when we underestimate its power. To protect ourselves and our planet, let's take action today. Plant more trees, reduce waste, use renewable energy, and raise awareness about environmental protection. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help spread the message of protecting nature and to enjoy more exciting and informative videos. Each subscription from you is a step towards building a greener future. Keep watching our upcoming videos to discover valuable lessons from nature. Don't look away, as many surprises are still waiting for you. A massive tornado with destructive power has appeared, sweeping away everything in its path. From rooftops and trees to vehicles, everything was lifted into the air in an instant. The terror lies not only in its strength, but also in its unpredictability and speed of destruction. A woman was standing outside her house, unaware of the imminent danger nearby. Suddenly, a bolt of lightning struck the tree right next to her home, creating a deafening explosion and a terrifying flash of light. This moment serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of being outdoors during severe weather and the importance of seeking safe shelter.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hail may seem like just frozen ice falling from the sky, but it poses significant dangers. The icy stones, ranging in size from peas to baseballs, fall at extremely high speeds, capable of shattering car windows, severely damaging roofs, and even causing serious injuries to people and animals. When a hailstorm warning is issued, quickly seek safe shelter to protect yourself and your belongings. A peaceful town with houses that have stood strong for years was suddenly engulfed by a rushing flood. In an instant, the floodwaters swept away an entire house, carrying everything in their path. In the blink of an eye, the rushing waters swept through, carrying debris, trees, and everything in their path. The destructive power of a flash flood is truly terrifying, serving as a reminder that we must always stay vigilant and well prepared when living in areas prone to such natural disasters. A terrifying tornado swept through, wiping out nearly the entire town, tearing away houses, trees, and everything in its path. Amid the chaos, a man riding a motorcycle narrowly avoided being swept up by the tornado. He wavered against the powerful swirling winds, struggling to maintain balance and find a way to escape. A man skiing down a mountainside unknowingly triggered a massive snowstorm. The snow beneath his feet gave way, quickly merging into a powerful avalanche, unleashing an unstoppable force of destruction.
Holy sh**!
A massive iceberg suddenly collapsed right behind a moving boat, creating a thunderous crash and huge waves surging around. This truly terrifying moment serves as a reminder of the potential dangers of being near nature's majestic, yet unpredictable wonders.
Oh my god! Holy!
In the highlands of northwest Vietnam, where majestic mountains embrace tranquil villages, the threat of landslides remains a constant fear. Prolonged heavy rains weaken the soil on mountain slopes, causing sudden collapses that sweep away everything in their path. These landslides have destroyed homes, farmlands, and even posed direct threats to the lives of local residents.
Wow!
Whoa!
Wow!
Shit! Oh my,
My
god!
God.
A man was recording the rain with his phone, unaware that he was about to capture a terrifying moment. Suddenly, a massive lightning bolt tore through the sky and struck with a deafening sound, startling everyone around.
Yeah.
You know how close that lightning was?
Taking it like a champ.
The natural disasters captured in this video are not just frightening images, but also a profound wake-up call about the immense and terrifying power of nature. They remind us that no matter how advanced humanity becomes, we remain vulnerable in the face of nature's wrath. However, these disasters also offer valuable lessons that can help us better prepare for the future. Always stay informed about disaster warnings, equip yourself with the knowledge to respond promptly, and take appropriate preventive measures. At the same time, protecting the environment is crucial to minimizing the risks of avoidable disasters. Plant trees, reduce waste, and conserve energy. Every small action contributes significantly to building a more sustainable future. Ultimately, the true strength of humanity lies in our unity and sense of responsibility toward our community and the environment. Don't forget to hit subscribe to help us spread this important message and to watch more meaningful content. Thank you for joining us.
Se está trayendo los camiones, se está trayendo todo esta vaina.
¡Coco, pégale freno, Coco!
Mierda. Coño.